Hello viewers, welcome to my YouTube channel. Dear viewers, today we'll talk about modern wooden door design ideas. Wooden doors have always been a symbol of elegance and durability. But what's next for wooden door designs in 2025? Let's explore the future. In 2025, sustainability is a priority. Expect to see doors crafted from reclaimed wood and eco-friendly materials. This not only reduces waste but also adds character and history to each piece. Innovation is on the rise. Smart technology will be integrated into wooden doors, allowing for features like keyless entry and enhanced security, all while maintaining that classic wooden aesthetic. Aesthetic trends are shifting too. Minimalist designs with clean lines and natural finishes will dominate. Look for bold colors and unique textures that reflect individuality and creativity. Don't forget about customization. Homeowners will have more opportunities to personalize their doors. From intricate carvings to custom sizes, ensuring that each door is a perfect fit for their space. Lastly, the fusion of indoor and outdoor spaces will inspire new designs. With larger bifold wooden doors that invite nature in, creating a seamless transition between home and environment. As we step into 2025, wooden doors are set to evolve in existing ways, embracing sustainability, technology, and style. A good set of hardwood doors is one of the finest investments you can make for your house. There are several reasons why a good set of hardwood doors is a good investment for your house. Wooden doors come with a range of design options, are attractive and are long-lasting. Due to the vast array of choices you are presented with anytime you go shopping, it may occasionally be difficult to choose something that fits your house and style. To ensure that you make the best decision when choosing doors for your living spaces, it is crucial to consider and reconsider every aspect. Since doors are often used in most situations, they should be strong enough to survive normal wear and tear and withstand various climatic conditions. When it comes to enhancing the aesthetic appeal and functionality of your home, choosing the right wooden door types can make all the difference. Wooden doors offer a timeless charm, excellent insulation properties, and durability that can last for decades when properly maintained. Flush doors feature a smooth, flat surface on both sides, making them an excellent choice for modern and minimalist interiors. These timber door options can be constructed with a solid core or hollow core, depending on the desired level of insulation and soundproofing. French doors are a classic choice that adds elegance and light to any space. These wooden interior doors typically features two glass panels and create a grand entrance or seamless transition between indoor and outdoor areas. Dear viewers, thanks for watching this video. I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my YouTube channel for more design and inspiration. Thank you.